This is my video for the non-specific and specific or innative or active immunity. And these are the physical barriers. There's the mucous membrane and the epithelial covering. And the skin and mucous membranes form a barrier to the outside world. They keep hazardous organisms and materials outside of the body. These are phagocytes, and there are two types. There's the microphage and the macrophage, and there's two types of these. There's the free and there's the fixed. And they engulf pathogens and cell debris, and they are in charge of the destruction of the microorganisms. Natural killers, or NK cells, are cells that roam around in the body, making sure that the body cells are doing alright and that are looking natural. And if most of the body cells have this little protein, and it's MCH1, and if the body cell does not produce any more of those, it will fall off. And the NK cell will come in and see that it's not producing any more of the protein, and it will kind of poke at it until it becomes apoptosis, and that basically means that it's dead. Interferons are cells inside the skin that release these cytokines, and they are chemical messengers that coordinate the defenses against viral infections. And when the protein is released into the bloodstream, it invades infected cells and interferes with viral replication. Fever is actually a positive thing for the immune system. It is an elevation of body temperature, and it accelerates the tissue metabolism and body defense. When the body temperature is greater than 99 degrees Fahrenheit, it can inhibit some viruses and bacteria. It also increases the metabolism so cells can move faster and enzymatic reactions happen more quickly. B cells are responsible for launching a chemical attack on antigens, and they produce specific and appropriate antibodies. So if this little flu virus tries to come in, it will attach to these antibodies, and that will send a signal in the B cell to make multiple of itself, and some of them will just be the B cell again, or some will be memory cells, which will remember about this flu virus, or they will become fighter B cells, which will eventually kill the virus. T cells attack pathogens more directly. They play a role in initiating, maintaining, and controlling the immune response. And the two main ones are the helper, and they kind of call the shots of where to fire for the pathogens, and the cytotoxic are the killers who do most of the work.